Hello, good evening. I am Khushbu Shokin, astrologer, tarot card reader, Vastu consultant, and a numerologist. Today, I am making this video to introduce you to my tarot reading course. I have come up with a tarot predictive course, right? It is an advanced tarot course that focuses on predictions. So I will be briefing you about the contents and what is the scope of this course, right? So talking about the contents of the course, I first of all give you the brief history of tarot, from where did it originate and how did it become popular. Today, in today's era, why is it popular and how does it work? Some students are often misguided. They think that tarot cards are just playing cards and they are just a fluke. So I am here to make you understand that tarot is not fluke. It has certain basics on which it works. So in my course, I will be telling you about what are the basics on which tarot works. Then we will be covering the theory, that is all the 78 cards of Riders and Waite deck in details. When I say in details, it means that one card has to be learned in 7 aspects, past, present, future, health, relationship, business, and guidance. Whatever question your client has come to ask you will be from these aspects only. Either he'll be asking you about his past, present, or future, or he would be asking you about his health, relationship, and business. And yes, apart from that, some people come for taking a guidance. So basically, we have to be very clear about all the 78 cards in all these 7 aspects. So this is the theory part of the course. And we do it in such a comfortable way that you will not have to memorize any meanings of the card. You will never ever feel the pressure. I teach in a very, very practical way. And, because tarot cards are picture based and our subconscious mind also works on pictures, it is very easy to learn the cards. We do it in such a practical way that no student of mine has ever found it difficult to understand the cards, right? After we complete the theory comes the practical part. In the practical part, I teach you shuffling. Shuffling means the way we spread the cards and what are the ways we read the cards. So in shuffling, I teach you 1 card spread, 3 card spread, 6 card spread, 8 card spreads, 10 card spreads, 12 card spreads. Some of the common names that you might have heard that I teach are Celtic Cross, Astro Tarot spread, or even called horoscope spread, zodiac spread, yearly spread, love spread, diamond spreads. All these spreads I cover in the course along with case studies. Case studies means that we take live examples. The readings I get, my clients, the readings I do, I teach you with my own personal experiences. I share my personal experiences with you so that you get a hands-on training. You are perfectly trained to give predictions. After we cover this, then we learn how to clean our cards, how to charge our cards, how to connect to our cards, how to raise our intuition levels, right? After that, we come to remedies. See, I'll tell you very frankly, as a subject, tarot does not have any remedies other than guidances. Tarot believes in guidances. But yes, in the course, I cover remedies. Remedies, I have taken a mix of astrology, numerology, Vastu, right? We do a mix of remedies so that you can give the remedies to your clients. Also in remedies, I talk about color symbolism and crystals. Crystals are my favorite, my personal favorite as remedies. So I teach you the same also. What are crystals and how we can use it in tarot, how we can use it in remedies. So once you are done with the entire course, you become confident about predicting about career, relationship, health, business, job, uh, you know, past, present, future. All these aspects become very clear to you and you become a confident reader. Then a commonly asked question to me is that, is it easy to study online? Is it comfortable to study online? I would say absolutely comfortable. Firstly, you get the comfort of your home. And today, the technology has developed to a level that you will never feel that you're studying online. The sessions are live video sessions, so you'll always feel that you're sitting in front of me, and whenever you have a problem, I am there to help you out, right? I've been teaching since last 12 years, and I've been teaching through video sessions because most of my students are from outside Delhi, right? So I've been teaching through video sessions since the very beginning, and I have had no problems, so you will also not have any problems, right? Then the question asked to me is that if you miss a class, then what would happen? So all my live classes are recorded. And if you miss a class, I will send the recording to you and you can listen to the recording, and whatever doubts come in your mind, I can give you a backup class for that. Okay. So I teach in a very, very practical and easy way. I also give detailed notes to you so that you have enough study material with yourself to be confident and to be able to predict in tarot. So I hope I have answered all your queries regarding the course. And if you still have any queries, please feel free to contact me. If you need a demo session or if you need a trial class, you can contact me on my mobile number. Thank you.